here's this week's Mouseblocker Minute.
Bruno had to go take a phone call real quick, and he's very important. He's got a lot of things going on, and I knew I could handle this because I enjoy this. This is one of the newer things that we've been doing here lately, and that is communicating with people who bought mouse blockers and letting them share their success stories. I remember when we first started working with Mouseblocker, a friend of mine had contacted me and they said, man, we've been running those in our RVs for like the last year and a half or something like that. So it's pretty cool. So the best part is I never know who we're calling, right? It's just like some random number. And we'll get, like, they know the call's coming, but I don't. So let's see. Whoa. Hey, I know you.
Hey there. Well, I'm sorry, what's your name again?
I thought you had a phone call to take.
I am on a phone call.
Yes, you are. Are you the Mouseblocker guest for today, all of a sudden?
You know, I got stories to tell. You don't let me talk otherwise, so I figured I got to go this route.
Well, this is a very pleasant surprise. You actually have talked about the Mouseblocker in your bus and all that stuff, so.
I have, so I have a 45-foot RV, and it's only used during racing season. So in the winter, it gets cold in Chicago, so mice are looking for a place to go. Well, they inevitably want to go into my motorhome. So a couple years ago, I put a Mouseblocker Pro in, and it did good in the general area of the motorhome, but it drove a mouse to the cab and up above the cab in a cabinet where it made a nest, and it wasn't great.
What happened?
I cleaned out the nest, and then the next winter, I got smart, and I put the right size one in there. I put the 1000 in. And I haven't had a mouse since. I mean, that thing is massive, and it does the job. That has kept my motorhome mouse poop free for the last 2 years, man. So I can't be too upset about that.
I do remember back when we first started working with him, and you were one of the first people to speak on behalf of Mouseblockers. I do remember that. So it is cool to get you on here with that.
Real story, real-time evidence talking about a product that got the job done, man. So I'm happy to do it.